Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, stick around to find out which drone suits your needs the best. Let's get started. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, the camera quality is crucial. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone boasts an ultra-clear 4K camera, ensuring you never miss any details in your shots. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus offers 4K 60fps HDR videos, allowing you to unleash stunning vertical videos with impressive clarity. Both drones excel in their camera capabilities, but the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus takes it a step further with its HDR feature. Now, let's talk about battery life. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone comes with 3 batteries, providing a total flight time of 90 minutes. This allows you to have enough time to compose the perfect shots without worrying about running out of power. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus also offers extended battery life, ensuring uninterrupted flights. With its 3 long-endurance batteries, you can fly freely and explore vast landscapes without battery anxiety. Drones are not just about cameras and batteries. They come packed with features to enhance your flying experience. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone offers multiple user-friendly functions such as automatic takeoff, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Additionally, its powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning ensure safer and more reliable flights. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing enhanced safety by detecting obstacles in all directions. It also offers customizable intelligent tracking with ActiveTrack 360 degrees, allowing you to achieve seamless operation effects effortlessly. Portability is a crucial factor to consider, especially for travelers. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone features an intuitive and advanced foldable design, making it easy to carry wherever you go. It even comes with a carrying case for added convenience. Moreover, weighing less than 250 grams, it's as light as a can of Coke, making it the ideal travel companion. Similarly, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is designed to be lightweight and easy to carry on all your journeys. With its included shoulder bag, you can transport and store it conveniently. There you have it, the comparison between the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. Both drones offer exceptional features and capabilities. If you're looking for a drone with an ultra-clear 4K camera and user-friendly functions, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone might be the perfect choice for you. However, if you prioritize stunning HDR videos, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and customizable tracking, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is worth considering. As always, make sure to check the latest local laws and regulations before flying your drone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.